Welcome. If you want to get the Galaxy wallpaper on your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Shadow Galaxy. And we have to get this application from the maxalus.net. So we have to install this app, and after that we can just simply tap on open one more time and click here to set a wallpaper. And after leaving the application, you will see on your screen this animated Galaxy wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.